Look, bro, you're being needy, all right? It's getting out of hand. And the problem is that when you are being needy and you're acting all funny around girls, you don't notice it. You really don't. And in your head, you think you're in the right. Good thing you have an older brother. An older brother that's self-aware enough to give you the signs that you need to look out for. See, when you're stuck in this mode, I want you to take a breather. I want you to look at this video and really analyze. If any of these signs you are hitting, chances are you're being needy and you're just ruining with that girl. Let's hop into this. Number one, you catch yourself monitoring her social activity. Notice I didn't say checking up on her. No. You're monitoring her. You want to know why I use that term? Because you look like a creep, bro. You're legit stalking this girl. You are monitoring every single move she does to the point that you're refreshing all her feeds, waiting to see what she's up to, waiting for her to post again. My guy, it just ends up looking creepy. You're legit monitoring this girl, and it just gives off psycho vibes. So if you catch yourself doing this, you're being needy. Number two, you're just communicating too much. See, catching up with her and seeing how her day went from time to time on a random occasion, that's fine. But hitting her up with, how's it going, or what are you up to today, every single day, yeah. You're being needy, bro. What ends up happening is that you go from having a regular dialogue that people enjoy to a single-sided interrogation that's gonna bore the hell out of her. See, you gotta understand that women need to know and feel that you are okay with living without her. As soon as you give her signs that you are so obsessed with her, you need her so much in your life, you can't live without her, or you think you can't live without her, that's the point that they stop giving you any attention. See, I need you to stop worrying less about what she's doing in her day and instead worrying more about what you're going to do in your day. See, I want you to fill your days with activities. I want you to fill your days with hobbies. Start developing yourself. Worry about that, and I promise you, all that neediness that you portray onto girls, it's going to be diverted into something that actually has a positive ROI in yourself. Number three, you let the chick define you. Too many guys are filled with so many insecurities that they feel if they bag that one girl that they have a crush in, it's going to fix all their problems. The truth is, you'll most likely lose her. Even if you can magically bag her, you're going to lose her because you never worked on all of the insecurities you have, and you're going to still be portraying that on her, and she's going to notice that you're insecure. She's probably going to go to another dude that's confident. This is why, like I was saying in the previous tip, focus on other things. Focus on building yourself. If you got insecurities, which every guy has, work on those insecurities. If it's your weight, work on your weight. If it's your charisma and how your social interactions, work on that. If it's on how you look, work on that. Work on your insecurities. See, if you want to be more confident, work on your style. If you are dealing with acne, develop a skincare routine. Matter of fact, I got you covered with that when it comes to heat grooming. Not only do we have an electric facial scrubber, which literally always sells out every time we launch. See, the electric facial scrubber is perfect for dudes that maybe are insecure about their skin. The scrubber works in combination with any facial cream that you already have or soap. You apply that to the scrubber and then you turn it on. The vibrations and the small silicone tips work in combination to really remove the dead skin from your face and cleanse out your pores to ensure that your skin remains soft and clean and minimize a lot of that acne buildup. But here's the kicker. See, October 16, write that down. October 16, boys. We're literally a few days away, less than a month away. Put a reminder on your phone. We are dropping our body scrubber. It is a manual scrubber that's going to replace your loofah, your towel, whatever it is that you shower with. Because you already know, whatever you're showering with, you have to be replacing that every 3 months. And if you're not, that's disgusting. Well, this new one, you never got to replace it. See, this new body scrubber is made out of silicone, and it's made in the same material of our facial scrubber, where you're going to have those small silicone bristles, and now every time you shower with your body wash, you are legit exfoliating your skin, removing that dead skin and clearing out the pores. So if you have chest acne or back acne, all that will be minimized, and now every time you step out of the shower, your skin's going to feel supple, smooth, soft, clean, every single time. And like I said, because it's made out of silicone, you never have to replace it. Every time you're done showering, you just wash it off and boom, it's like new. It doesn't accumulate bacteria and mold like your traditional towel and loofah would. Boys, this is dropping October 16th, and I promise you, it will probably fly. It's gonna be ridiculously affordable, which means it's gonna go fast. I don't want you to miss it. If you guys wanna check it out, put a reminder on your phone. October 16th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Number 4, you're trying to speed up the relationship. A lot of times when you're being needy, you'll find yourself trying to lock her down as quick as possible, thinking that once you do, you're safe. When the reality is, like I mentioned, you'll probably still lose her because you can't keep her. You don't have the confidence to do so. And the truth is, stop thinking that you already are in love with this girl if you haven't even built an emotional connection, and in some extreme cases, you haven't even got out on a date yet, and instead be chill about it. Be relaxed. Don't force anything to that extreme, and instead, like I said, shift your focus onto things that you can actually control. Which rolls us on to number 5. You catch yourself being irrationally jealous when you see her talking about another guy or engaging or liking another guy's pictures on social media. You got to understand that if you catch yourself being jealous over a girl you have no emotional connection to, there is no relationship yet to, dude, you are being irrational. You are overreacting and you need to catch yourself because you are acting needy. Which that kind of rolls on to number 6. You get mad at her. You get mad at her because she doesn't text you back. You get mad at her because she chooses the wrong guy. You get mad at her because she doesn't want to date you. You get mad at her because she tells you, oh, we should just be friends. See, the thing is that you have no control over her. And moreover, she has total control over you. You should never let a girl have that type of emotional control where you're getting mad, especially if there is no relationship. If she has that emotional control over you, you're being needy. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You probably didn't, but the truth is, somebody needs to tell you the truth because your daddy ain't doing it and your siblings ain't doing it. So your older brother's gonna do it. That way you snap out of it. That girl is not worth it. That's it for me today. See you next time.